Welcome guys, today I'm with the Tozo T6 and I'm going to show you how you can pair them with your iPhone. Okay, so first of all you have to remember to put them inside the case and charge at least to the 50% at the bottom. You can find input for the cable. As you can see, that's the micro USB input for the cable. So charge them, and next follow the steps. You have to open the case like that and take them out of this case. When you make it, just simply take a look. We can find the indicators right here. And when you remove them from the case and when they start blinking on the blue and the red, it means that they are in the pairing mode automatically. And right now we can go forward, but there's one thing. If they are not in the pairing mode automatically, you can make it manually. So at the first you have to turn them on, turn them off by holding like that until they just turn off. Yeah, just like that. As you can see right now they are turned off. And then click and hold until they turns on and start blinking on the red and the blue. There it is. Next, put them close to your phone and do not put them to the case. Go for the settings, go for the Bluetooth and tap on the switcher. Now select Tozo T6. And as you can see, right now we are connected. That was very simple, as you can see. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.